paws and fluffy feet. It sniffs a flower, pink and white, then hides behind a tree to hide. The sun is bright, the sky is blue, the clouds are playing peekaboo. The birdies sing a happy song, and Bunny bounces all day long. Ooh.